Hey there, Ken Howard here at Manhattan Beach Toyota, and we got something special for you. We've got the new accessory Modellistas for all of our cars, the body kits. Now this is where you get to take your Toyota and take it up to the next level on the appearance. That way you get it customized, special, the way you like, and make it individually yours. So we'll start off right down here. We do have the front spoiler kit. It also comes with the side skirt kit, as well as the back part of the kit. Now these are coming in on all the Toyotas, so whichever one you get, you can purchase it with it when you come in and get your new Toyota. Now these are coming on all of Toyotas. This here, of course, is the RAV4, so you can see what it did to the RAV4. But we've also got it on our GR Corollas, and like I said, it does come for every Toyota that they make. Please, if you have any questions, give me a call. Manhattan Beach Toyota, Ken Howard.